Hi, boys and girls. Please write your name at the top of your paper. Today, we are going to find the word. We are going to circle and write the word that matches the picture. Our first picture is a picture of a fish, and the arrow is pointing to its fin. Now we can see that we have two words underneath our fish. We need to find out which one says fin. Let's read our first word. Fan. Nope, that one does not say fin. Let's check our second word. Fin. Yes, fin. Please circle fin and then write it on the line. Fin. Okay, our next picture. Let's read the words first. Din. Dip. I can see that the chip, someone is going to dip the chip in the salsa. So the word we need is dip. Dip. Please write dip. Dip. Our next word is finger stretch. Wig. Wig. Or wag. Which word best matches our picture? That's right, wig. This is a picture of a wig. Please write wig. Wig. All right, my friends, moving down to the next line. The first word is hit. Our next word is sit. Which word best matches our picture? Hit or sit? That's right, it's hit. The bat hit the ball. Please write hit. Hit. Our next word, finger stretch. Kit. Next word, kid. Does kit or kid best match our picture? It's kit, because this is a first aid kit. It holds band-aids and gauze and anything you might need to make your owies feel better. Please write the word kit. Kit. Next picture, first word is did. Next word, dig. Does did or dig best match our picture? That's right, it's dig. Dig matches. The dog is going to dig and hide his bone. Please write dig. Dig. Next line, our first word is rib. Next word, bib. Does rib or bib best match our picture? This is a baby's bib. They wear it around their neck when they eat so they don't get their shirt all dirty with their food. Please write bib. I, b, bib. Our next picture, first word, ol, I, p, lip. Next word, ol, ap, lap. Does lip or lap best match our picture? Lip. That is a pair of lips. Please write lip. O, I, p, lip. Our next picture, first word, finger stretch, p, I, g, pig. P, it, pit. Does pig or pit best match our picture? That's right, that is a picture of a pig. Please write pig. P, I, g, pig. Please flip over your paper. All right, my friends, we are doing spelling shapes. You'll notice that we have a lot of boxes that are different shapes. We have short boxes, like this one. We have tall boxes, like this one. And we have boxes that go into the basement, like that one. So our first word, let's sound it out together. B, I, g, big. So I'm looking for a tall box, short box, basement box. Oh, I see that right here. B, I, g. And that G is a basement letter, so it needs a basement box. All right, next word is the word fit. Let's sound it out together. F, I, t, fit. I'm looking for a tall box, short box, tall box. Right over here at the top. I, t, fit. Our next word is the word kid. Finger stretch. K, I, d, kid. With our spelling shapes, I need tall, short, tall. Over here on the side, K, I, d, kid. Our next word is tip. Finger stretch. T, I, p, tip. With tip, I'm looking for a tall box first, then a short box, and then a basement box. Ooh, I see that right down here at the very bottom. T, I, p, tip. Our next word is, finger stretch, is. And is, we are going to put right here on the side, and it only has two sounds, so I just need two boxes. Our next word is did. Finger stretch, d, I, d, did. I need a tall box, short box, tall box. D, I, d, did. Our next word is hit. Finger stretch. I, t, hit. I need a tall box, short box, tall box. Here at the bottom. I, t, hit. Our next word is win. Finger stretch. W, I, n, win. Right here on the side. W, I, win. Our next word is pit. Finger stretch. It. Pit. P is a basement letter, so we need a box that drops down low. P. I. T. Pit. And our very last word is in. Finger stretch. In. In. And I can see that it's going to go in my very last box I haven't used yet. In. Way to go, boys and girls. You did great. I'm so proud of you.